Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop any app from opening at the time of when you log into your Mac operating system. So let's say some app opens when you log into your Mac operating system automatically even though you don't open it manually. How to stop that? Let's see. So for that, you need to click on the system settings. So you have this system settings icon on your dock, or you can also open the system settings by clicking on the Apple logo here, and then you can choose the system settings option, which is also going to open the system settings here. Now in the left hand menu, just select general here. So select general, and then you will see on the right hand side this list. In this list, click on this option which says login items. Now here you will see this section which says open at login. And under that, you will see all the apps which are going to start when you log into your Mac operating system. In my case, there are two applications which will start at the time of login. One is Google Chrome, another is Safari browser. Now, in order to stop these applications to open at the time of login, just select the application. So let's say I want to remove the Google Chrome and I want to stop this from opening at the time of logging. Just select it and then click on minus button, and then it's going to be removed from this list, and that means it's not going to open when you log into your Mac operating system. Now the other way of removing any applications from opening at the time of login is just go to that application. So let's say this is the Safari app which is also there in this list. Just right click on the icon on the dock of that app. So I'm going to right click on the Safari app, and then in the options I have this option to open at login, right? So this is right now checked, and when I uncheck it, you will see that it's removed from this list, and that will also stop this app from opening at the time of when you log in to your Mac operating system. So this is how you can stop apps from opening automatically at the time of login. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.